Introduction to Syncing Apple Reminders for Language Learning.
Stay consistent with your language practice by syncing Apple Reminders with your language learning app. Automatic reminders help you maintain a regular schedule and track your progress. In this guide, you'll learn easy ways to set up reminders that keep you on track, ensuring you never miss a learning session.
Why use Apple Reminders for your study sessions?
Apple Reminders offers customizable, recurring notifications. Connecting it with your language learning app means your daily or weekly study times won't slip your mind. Reminders can boost motivation, help solidify study habits, and integrate smoothly with your Apple devices, making it easier to stay committed to your language goals.
Setting up reminders manually.
Open the Reminders app and tap New Reminder. Enter a title like French Practice and select a date and time based on your preferred study schedule. You can choose to repeat reminders daily or on certain days. This allows you to align notifications with your regular language app sessions without any additional apps.
Automating reminders based on app usage.
For advanced automation, use Apple's Shortcuts app. You can create a shortcut that triggers a reminder after opening or closing your language app. Open Shortcuts, choose Automation, then App, and select your language app. Add an action to create a reminder. This ensures you get prompted to study or review at the optimal times.
Staying consistent with your practice.
Consistency is key for language learning success. Once your reminders are set, treat them as appointments with your future self. Use the Mark as Completed feature to track your progress and adjust your schedule as needed. Remember, syncing Apple Reminders with your app is a simple way to make steady progress towards fluency.